Happy morning everyone. My name is Rishi. I am from First Lily. Today I am reciting a story. Mr. Bunny's cat. Mr. Bunny picked 3 carrots and made carrots. Next to my friend Devanand. My name is Devanand. I am a Mr. Rat. May I have a carrot please? Yes, here you are. Thank you. My name is Sunaidu. I am Mr. Hearts. May I have a carrot please? Sure. Thank you. My name is Sita. Yes, here's the last one. Now I can make carrots. The doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. Who is it? Hello. Here is your carrot.
Asma, hold on, मैं आता हूँ.
And tomato.